pressure builds, the heart can't feel a deadly squeeze, a fluid spill. The pericardium is tight and round. Listen close for the muffled sound. Hypotension drops the flow, distended neck veins, JVD start to show. Veins are bulging, pressure is high. BECK'S TRIAD makes the output die. Shock is here, don't let it stay. Shock is here, don't let it stay. Hypotension drops the flow, distended neck veins, JVD start to show. Veins are bulging, pressure is high. BECK'S TRIAD makes the output die.